guys, welcome back to Nails World and making stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to make and tell you about stuff. So let me show you first. This is what I made. I made it just now. Last time, and this is also I made it just now. And this is what I make it what call it with the ingredient. This is what's the ingredient right here: scissors and this cardboard and zipper.
So that's the equipment, right?
Yeah, the equipment. And the very most important thing that we have is zipper and a glue. Be careful. If you're sometimes you have to ask your parents to use it. Like, don't be like me. I got hurt right here. Okay, so this is how you make it. It's like you use some glue and like that. Okay, and this is also same like that. So my friends, she asked me to also. She want to buy She want to buy this one. So I tell myself, why not if she asked me to buy it, she want this. Yeah, she want this one. 2 of them, this one. 2 pencil case like this. So then I tell myself, I don't want to bring this. I just bring one of this. I said, and bring one of these. Because I never see someone made this, and I saw in YouTube only. So when I saw that, I was trying to make it too. So this what's happened when I make it. It's also turning good. So how to make it is, let me show you how to make. I'll make the pencil case. This one you can see in my, where was it, in YouTube or in Instagram or Facebook? You can see I was making this, or Instagram. I will make this. You can see. And I will use this. My friend asked to use green. Okay, suit yourself. You just need to ask the price. Okay? So sometimes you need to measure it up. If you don't, I will measure it like this.
So where can we buy the papers?
This portrait, everything in portrait you can buy. There's nothing else.
Portrait gallery.
Yep. So sometimes I have to measure it. It has to be same parts. So it's this one. Right? Okay. So when I just do like this first, then look, you cut and make it like this, the first one. Then. Next up is before you glue it here. Okay, I already measure it right here. Do glue it the same part. There you go. Then you cut it right here on the top too. Then you can cut it like that. It's easy parts. You cut it until the top. Okay. This. There we go. So if you before you cut this, so you know how that. So you have to measure it first. Maybe when you use it like this, it's not fit. See? Sometimes I try. Okay, now I know. Okay, it's this. So if it's like that, I will open it. Good. It's moving. I think this one is a bit small, so I have to make it like yay big like that. See? So next up is I have to do it like this. Okay. Next up I have to glue it. Wait, okay, this. close it. Very easy. And next up, like, you still have some more. So glue it right here, and then just do like that, and cut it around until finish. So, and then glue right here too. Finish. If you like, just add the top part like this. I cannot give my friend this one. I really like it so much. I don't know why. It's too adorable to me. I cannot see it. I like it so much. Okay. You can buy this. Remember, buy it in Portrait Gallery, Jalan Profesor Ali Hashimi, Bangor Raya, Banda Aceh. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Bye.